Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Situated in the heart of Mandeville is this lovely, well-maintained and spacious designed 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home. It sits on 0.35 acres of land, located in a quiet and family-oriented neighborhood with other beautiful homes around. This home is move-in ready. It could do with a little renovating with one's own touch of decor to give a much modern flavor and appeal. This home includes matching verandas upstairs that allows you the view of the city of Mandeville, living and dining areas, kitchen, powder room, washroom, and overhead air tank. For added convenience, the property features a single-car garage, delightful garden area, and manicured lawns. The house is easily accessible to everything in Mandeville, and with just 2 minutes to the Winston Jones and the newly constructed highways that connects you to Kingston. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is Jamaican $39 million or US $253.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.